Python Lambda list filtering with multiple conditions. My understanding about filtering lists with Lambda is that the filter will return all the elements of the list that return true for the Lambda function. In that case, for the following code, the output should be but the output that I get is I get the expected output if I use. What am I doing silly here? Or is my understanding not correct?
Fails for condition, as well as. Instead of using or, I believe the more natural and readable way is. Out of curiosity, I compared 3 methods of comparing, and the results were as expected. Slicing lists was the slowest, using tuples was faster, and using Boolean operators was the fastest. More precisely, the 3 approaches compared were. And the results, respectively.
The filter is acting exactly like it should. In the first case, the filter only accepts lists whose first element is not 1 and whose second element is not 2 and whose third element is not 3. Thus the list 1, 2, 4, C will not make it through because its first element is 1. On the contrary, will accept any list whose first element is not 1 or whose second element is not 2 or whose third element is not 3. Thus, 1, 2, 4, C will be accepted because its third element is not 3.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.